Dude, this is the new follow-up table, man.
Like half the new follow-up table.
Half the new follow-up
Half
table.
of
It still needs
He's
legs.
got like a regular folding table under here.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't ordered legs yet, y'all, but get used to it, because this is new set in progress.
Yeah. This is the future.
We're going to have to work out some of the kinks.
Welcome to Wednesday.
Yeah, welcome to another Wednesday follow-up. And it's November now, bud.
It's fucking...
We're past the bad candy.
Thank God.
November means Thanksgiving.
Yep.
Along with Thanksgiving, so today we're going to be following up on that fancy exotic wood entryway table.
Hey.
We're also, a conversation that you and I have about every year is the topic of Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes. We are both repulsed by Thanksgiving food because we have it every year. It's just
Well, once you have it every single year consecutively, when do you draw the line?
I just can't do like turkey anymore. I mean, I'm even getting tired of like rolls, man. Like I'm there for the family.
I could do the rolls. So what I was thinking is this month we could look for tasty alternatives to Thanksgiving dinner.
Lobster.
Dude, so today I'm thinking about going straight for the main course, the turkey. It's impossible for most people to cook a turkey and it not be just a dry, tasteless white meat.
I feel like in the past, like, turkey was a staple, and they kept on eating turkey until they discovered chicken.
So I'm thinking, if you're going to be eating dry-ass turkey anyways, you might as well replace it with another dry meat. So for our turkey alternative, we'll eat python jerky.
Python jerky, ayo!
It's dry meat. You're going to be eating dry meat anyways.
I think I would prefer this. If you...
Now, the only thing is, if you're trying to feed your whole family, this is going to cost more than the turkey, because this was $20.
It'd be like jerky, Doritos, and Mountain Dew. That would be Thanksgiving dinner.
Don't eat that part, Adam.
You touched it and I put it in my mouth.
Let's get out our Thanksgiving feast.
He just puts it on the table.
Well, I mean, here, let me put my hands all over it.
Like, you even put the fucking nasty-ass candy in a coffin. What's your problem?
I didn't know what to serve python jerky on.
It's like
I haven't tried it yet.
Looks like bacon. What part of the python do you think this is?
Part of the tube part.
It's thigh.
Let's try python, man. Ooh, it's tough.
It's jerky. It's sweet though. Peppery. I like that.
I got a piece of gristle or something.
It's kind of lean. How can you tell?
I feel like I can't even chew this piece.
Oh, this is definitely better than Good and Plenty.
Dude, so on that entryway table, I heard from my mom.
Always good to hear from Mom.
She said, love the look of this. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
I also love the look of it. Luke Silverfish.
Ew.
He says it looks great and he loves the purple heartwood. I as well, Silver. J-Mess, like the wood combo.
It's a triple threat.
Harry Gary.
HTFG.
The comment that I asked him to leave with my secret description pertained to the purple heart.
You and your secrety secrets.
He said, but why hide the purple heartwood? That is where plywood or pine goes.
It's a fair point.
You got what?
I got a really gristly piece now. I think it's the python's eyeball. There's testicles.
Berto903 asked where my PPE was, but he did say another great video. So I don't know where the PPE was in that video. I was being irresponsible.
Yep. Wait, is that Gilberto? Gilberto, is that you?
Is that Gilberto?
Is that you?
Is that you, Gilberto?
Is that you, Gilberto?
How's Alex doing?
Yeah. I never met Alex.
Alex is great.
Gilberto was my manager.
Gilberto was your manager?
Yeah.
And I heard from old Kevin.
Oh, Kevin.
He said one of his favorite videos on this channel was that Purple Heart bedroom stand. That's almost the exact same thing. So he said, so naturally he likes this one and enjoys the wood choices. And he said, loving the hairstyle.
Yeah, nothing wrong with a sequel. Nothing wrong with a haircut.
And he said, P.S. watched all the ads for you.
Yeah!
Kevin. And that was it. Our last video was us celebrating the 1K subs.
1K subs and Halloween.
With Good and Plenty.
That was a Good and Plenty video.
The Good and Plenty was horrible.
Never forget.
My dad says, congrats on the 1K. Oh, and we'd asked everybody to leave a shop safety tip. Apple juice or orange juice, and pancakes or waffle. So my dad says, do not wear loose-fitting gloves around power tools. I almost snapped my fingers years ago when a drill bit got hemmed up in some loose gloves. Look, back when I had my long hair,
Oh, jeez.
I was using a drill,
Oh.
and it got sucked into the drill. But you remember how frizzy my stuff was?
Yeah.
I was able to chop it off, and I don't think anybody ever noticed. My dad says waffles.
It's a good call.
Kevin, again, said congrats. I'm just going to go blanket statement. Thank you, everybody, for the congrats and being part of that 1K subs.
It means a lot to us.
It does.
That measly little 1,000. It
Goes a long way.
It took him a long way to get here. I just sit here and say dumb things. Woo!
But Kevin's safety tip says, always wear your eye protection and your personal glasses don't count.
I mean, they're good enough for the gun range.
Well, Kevin wears glasses, and he said he got a splinter in the eyeball, even wearing his regular glasses.
Well,
So he said, never again.
Never again.
And he says, OJ and waffles. Working man. It's
One and only.
always nice to hear from working man. He leaves the most sincere comments.
He does, and he takes time out of his insane work schedule.
Yeah.
We appreciate that.
He said he was so happy for us for the 1,000 subs. Said, we're always fun to watch. Keep having fun. Said Sanders really are dangerous, and also metal scissors that almost ended up cutting off a whole finger one time.
Oh, shit.
And then he said, love you, bros.
Come on.
Come here, working
Give me
man.
a working man. Give us a hug. Here you go.
Hug the working man. I would hug working man if he were here.
I would.
I really would.
I would. I'd hug every single one of y'all.
Yeah, I would. I'd hug everybody. Yeah, you heard from Steve out?
Hey! I saw Steve on Friday.
Really?
Yeah. Had a conversation with him about 3D printing. Are you... I wouldn't eat that. I would leave... That one has hair in it. Is that your mustache
That's
hair?
not- yeah.
Did you pull your mustache hair out trying to eat the jerky?
This is 20 bucks. 20 bucks, man, and everything you saw is what was in there.
$20 worth of chew, dude.
Yeah, but Steve I's safety tip was, if you're working with some... I didn't like and heart your comment, Steve I. I'm sorry.
It's liked and hearted now.
It is. Yeah, if you're working with something causing fumes or small particulates, have a fan nearby blowing it away from you if you don't have a good respirator. And he said also, fucking pancakes.
Whoa!
Those are his words.
Lead with a good safety tip. You even throw in some nice vocab in there. Particulate. But you like pancakes?
I heard from Luke Silverfish. He said, first off, pancakes. Second, I am no hipsy Nazi bastard.
Hipsy Nazi bastard.
Hippie Nazi bastard. Did I say hipsy?
You said hipsy.
Did I?
We apparently have a hard time saying hippie when we're calling Luke Silverfish a hippie. Hipsy dipsy Nazi commie.
He said he is no hippie Nazi bastard. His sister lives in Colorado, and she is a yoga hippie.
You're just following the bloodline, dude. You're not proving anything.
My shop rule for safety is safety third, right after looking cool, and always take shortcuts. Call me a hippie again, I will come down to Texas.
Why can't you ever take anything seriously, Luke? This is real safety. I don't even know if you actually like pancakes over waffles or not. Because everything that comes out of your mouth is just a joke.
Luke Silverfish, man, everybody. JMS's safety tip. Make sure your piece is secure when using most handheld power tools. Yes, that's a great tip.
Make sure your piece is secure.
Now, you remember
Don't pick your teeth on camera.
that shot glass tray?
Mm-hmm.
Some of y'all might remember that. That video was way back. So when I was drilling the holes for the shot glasses to sit into, I was using a Forstner bit, and I was using my hand, and I had a glass almost exactly like this one. I wonder if I stole this from my dad's. The bit catches, flings it out of my hand, and it just goes through the glass. I couldn't find the tray for a long time.
Just clotheslines.
JMS is correct. Always clamp down your workpiece.
Always clamp down your workpiece. Very good, JMS.
Yeah, that's a good That's a good.
better-
I almost said it's a good mess.
It's a good mess, JMS.
Yeah, he said definitely OJ and pancakes.
Wow.
Is waffles starting to lose now? I mean, if you count me and you. Dude, CJ, he says apple juice and waffles.
Hey, well,
Waffles
that's
takes
what we're talking about.
Waffles takes the lead again. And shop safety tip is it's the little things that you don't think could hurt you that do. I heard from my mom, and she was just saying congrats, and she said, you guys look great, too.
Oh,
Thanks,
thank
Mom.
you.
My mom says I look handsome. The hair, Gary!
Bags of hair, Gary.
Ew. He said, also need you to post your song on the channel.
I know.
Here's the count. Waffles, pancakes. Gary prefers waffles
So that's
and
6
orange
for
juice.
waffles.
Yes, I don't have...
Boing!
6 for waffles, 4 for pancakes. Safety tip, unplug a tool when done with it, especially if you have young children that can wander near the tools. Well,
You just in there in your shop.
Christopher Harry Lang.
That's a new one. That's a new Chris.
Pancakes. And he says have a working fire extinguisher in the shop.
It's a good one.
That's a good one.
Lots of things that can cause fires in a shop.
Ace. He was just talking about our Jim drinking the whiskey in there. He said, Jim Beam, good taste, you filthy degenerates.
Yeah.
Heyo.
Jim Beam's it's a go-to. It's not a bad, cheap, well whiskey.
And Ace didn't specify. So that means waffles win 6-5.
Waffles win 6-5.
It was a close race.
I need to make an air horn sound effect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it for comments on both of those videos. So my weekly question doesn't pertain to woodworking this week. A couple nights ago, she made barbecue sausage and mashed potatoes for dinner.
Mashed toiters.
And that's like one of my favorites. It was one of those dinners that's so good you think about it after
you're
the fact.
totally full. Don't want to look at food, but you're still just. Bring that back.
So I want to know what everybody's favorite dinner is. Adam, what's your favorite dinner?
I like home cooked meals that I don't cook.
Maybe Adam hasn't found his favorite dinner yet.
I mean, I have plenty of favorite dinners, but I like to eat.
Well, I'm not satisfied with your answer.
I don't know what you want from me.
I just want you to name a food.
Chili.
What about that pasta stuff that Charlie made with crawfish in it? That was good.
Crawfish etouffee?
Yeah.
You're not wrong.
That was
Okay,
good.
we'll go with crawfish.
That's his answer.
etouffee. It's fucking great.
What is everybody? Jeff, what's your favorite dinner?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. I
3
know
winners.
she likes the Alfredo a lot. What is everybody else's favorite dinner? I want to know.
I want to know what's your favorite liquor.
Ruby Bleals. No, for the longest time I just mixed vodka and Dr. Pepper.
You mixed vodka and whatever anybody had in their house that was not water.
Anyways, what's your favorite dinner? What's your favorite liquor? If you liked it, enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up because why?
Algorithms.
And be sure to subscribe to this channel because there's brand new woodworking projects every single Friday, and every Wednesday we follow up on those projects, which will now be at this table. So click that notification bell so you do not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Adam's waving bye.